You finally found your way to the dark. But are you brave enough to stay?
Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you how to install new firmware on your printer. So, let's go to my computer and get started.
Welcome to Nick's lair. Are you ready to face my demons?
Already now, the ritual of the command. Approach the screen ... yes ... look upon its glow. We begin in the shadows, in the command prompt. Run it as administrator ... Power suits you, doesn't it? Type disk part. Slow now ... no rush. Now, lists disk. Look at them ... your little servants. Be careful. Choose the wrong one, choose your hard drive, and you shall witness a digital execution you won't soon forget. Select your USB ... disk 2, or whatever number its pathetic soul carries. The lobotomy and the MBR. Now ... we make it empty, type clean. Feel that? Silence. The drive is a blank canvas, but we must give it structure. Type convert MBR. We are going back to the old ways, the ancient ways the printer understands. Create a partition primary and format it. Format Fs equals FAT32 quick. We want it fat ... and we want it fast. Type exit. Our work in the dark is done ... for now. The naming of the folders. Open the drive. We must create two vessels. The first, name it update, simple, common. The second, .a. The second requires a bit more ... darkness. Name it AGVs, GSCF, 9ZB, 3NF. Do not ask what it means, just type it. And the underline at the end. Do not forget it, unless you wish to spend your afternoon staring at a brick. Behold ... the update.swu file. It is the heart of the machine. Drag it into the folders. First, the strange one. Look at the progress bar ... 5%, ... 26%. It crawls ... like a spider across the floor. NOW. Do it again. Copy the same file into the update folder. The printer is paranoid. It needs to see the hard twice. When the bar reaches its end, ... eject the drive. It is ready. Go now. Confront the almighty screen. Yes ... baby ... it is finished. Now, you've got your USB stick. It's got the firmware on it, tucked away like a secret message in a Bond film. We're going to gently, and I mean gently like you're stroking a nervous hamster, insert it into the slot. Don't just ram it in there like a digestive biscuit into a cold cup of tea. Give it a bit of respect. Eyes on the glass now. Give that little gear icon a cheeky tap. That's the settings. For those not in the know, from there, we're heading straight to device. Now keep your goggles peeled for the prize. Right next to firmware, you should see a lovely little orange box with an arrow inside it. It's practically shouting at you, isn't it? Press me, you legend. Go on then, give it a firm press. The update is off. It's doing its little digital dance. At this point, you just follow the instructions on the screen, like a well-behaved schoolboy. When the old girl asks for a restart, let her have a quick nap. When she blinks back to life, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and yes, baby, you're all done. Absolute masterclass. You'll be the hero of the break room, provided you don't mention you enjoyed talking to a printer.
Well, baby, now you know what it takes to get it done right, so go ahead, baby, like and subscribe for more.